This mower is built a lot like Garrett's abuela. She's big, she's fierce, and she works hard. Does that land? No. Garrett and Tim here with Green Industries. We're out here at the Anne Arundel County Fairgrounds. We're showing you the Toro 144. This beast has a 12-foot cutting deck, 44 horsepower turbo diesel engine. It's mean, it's made to cut grass, it does it fast. It cuts 12 acres an hour. This thing's a beast and we're excited to show it to you. This is the biggest mower in Toro's lineup. It was built as a zero-turn. It is a zero-turn. It operates like a zero-turn. Has an integrated parking brake, zero-turn controls. When the wings are folded up, it fits on a standard trailer. We have 3 mowers available in this lineup, the 144 being the biggest. Then they have a 96 in gas and then a 96 in diesel as well. This is a rear discharge mower, so all the grass is going behind you. All the blades are the same, which is really nice as well, so there's not one side for the left and one side for the right, anything like that. They're all the same, super easy, you can't mix them up. Everything's coming behind you. Why does that matter? Well, 2 reasons. One, if you're doing roadside work, you can't be blowing grass into the street. That's extremely important. 2, it keeps you clean. We're gonna show you how we run this machine, and we're not gonna have one blade of grass on us. It's incredible. You stay super clean. It's good for my allergies, because I suffer from that. I'll be sneezing like crazy without that. What else does this thing have, Tim? The smart hour meter, the Horizon Tech. So obviously it's gonna show you the hours. The really nice feature about it is it also shows you the maintenance intervals. So you have your oil change, your hydraulic service, your gearbox changes, and you're working this machine all day. You're not paying attention to how often you need to service it. This machine tells you. So it says, hey, in 5 hours you're gonna need to change your oil, and it'll alert you throughout that time until it's done, and then you reset it. Same with the gearbox oil, same with the hydraulic oil. There's a selector here by the hour meter, by the PTO switch for low and high speed. High speed will fly. It's giant hydraulics. It'll go 17 miles an hour at transport speed, and then you have a cutting speed, which will be 10 miles an hour, and it has plenty of power to get you through anything, cutting full 10 miles an hour with 144 inches. Open up this cover, you'll see a really heavy-duty drive shaft right to this center gearbox. To check the gearbox oil, it's very simple. You just pull this plug, check your level, drop this back down. There's a couple of grease points under there for the tensioner arms, but really, relatively low maintenance in certain terms of greasing on this unit. One other really important thing about this mower, really cool, it's a 2,000-hour warranty, 5 years. Yeah. So you're protected for 5 years, 2,000 hours. What that means to me more than anything, she's a beefy girl. I mean, it's designed to hold up to that. Toro made it for a reason with a 2,000-hour warranty. They expect it to last 2,000 hours. We've seen them last more than 2,000 hours. It's designed to be used and used and abused and used some more. Another awesome feature of this mower, with this style diesel engine, these giant fans here pull air in to cool the engine. Traditionally, on a lot of their machines, this back grate gets packed up with dirt, the engine overheats. Toro's thought about that, and what they have is these dual fans, they're reversing. So when it gets a lot of grass caked up on that back screen, they'll reverse, blow all the grass out, keep the engine cool, keep it moving. It's a really nice feature. We're really happy Toro thought of that. You might be wondering who needs a mower that's 144 inches wide. If you have a large property, like we're at today, we got 45 acres out here, it's perfect. Cutting this with 3 guys on 72s takes forever. Now you got 1 guy on a 144, take a third of the time. Also, parks, schools, military bases. We have these machines on military bases right now. They love them. Large acreage, Air Force, also airports. It's perfect for those applications. Again, roadside, no grass spilling out into the street. And if you own a large property yourself and you hate cutting grass all day, this machine's gonna cut it down. You're not gonna be dirty. It's perfect for you. All right, now we're gonna head over to some fields, do some cutting, try to find some hills, and see what this thing can do. Man, this thing is so much fun to use. It feels just like a regular 60-inch zero-turn. You forget that you're 12 feet wide. The hills were incredible, didn't slip at all. The wings, when you go over an area that's dipping, the wing will actually contour to the ground. So you don't have one hanging, have to go back over it. The cut quality, surprisingly good for a rear discharge mower. I don't think that there's a better cut quality for a rear discharge, bat wing, wide area mower style. It cut fantastic. We're cutting weeds, thick, wet grass. It cut right through it, zero bog. We're going up and down hills. This is a giant field. We'll probably have it wrapped up in about 25 minutes. This would take an hour and a half with a 72-inch mower. It's incredible. to be as productive as we've seen it be today and just cut as well as it does. And yet the wings fold up and you're only 83 inches. You can fit it in any landscape trailer. It's easy to move around. It doesn't take up much space in your shop. Just the features and benefits of that are incredible. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram. We have a lot more content just like this coming on YouTube as well. We appreciate you guys watching. Definitely like and subscribe. And check us out on our website as well, greenindustriesequipment.com.